Hello everyone, welcome back to Codexani. This is part 2 of our TCS Verbal Ability practice series. Today we are going to solve 10 sentence commutation question. I have given the question and all 4 options on the screen. So first read the question, think about the answer and I will give you a 5 seconds to solve it. After the pause, I will tell you the correct answer and explain why. So don't skip the question, try them yourself. Okay. So let's start with question 1. So read the sentence carefully. The internet provide access to information. Okay. Then we have a blank, and after the blank we have this make online learning convenient. Okay. So we need an option that connect the internet with online learning. So read all 4 options and choose the best one. I will give you a 5 seconds. Okay. So pause video and think about it. Okay. So the correct answer is a student can learn from many locations. Okay, because the internet allows students to access information and learn from different places. So the complete sentence make perfect sense. Okay, so internet access and learning from different location, convenient only learning. Okay, so this is answer. Let's move to the next one. Question 12. Here the first sentence say a good plan save time. Then we have a blank and after that we have therefore task should be prioritized. Okay. So which option explain how a good plan help us? Look at all 4 options carefully. Take 5 seconds and choose your answer. Okay. So the correct answer is a it help organize work systematically. Okay. A good plan helps us organize our work, and when our work is organized, we can decide which task should be done first. That's why the next sentence say, therefore task should be prioritized. Okay. So this is option C correct. Okay. Question 13. The sentence say communication is a two-way process. Then we have a blank and the next sentence say both are important for understanding. So we need an option that talk about two things involved in communication. So read the option. Your 5 seconds start now. Okay. So the correct answer is speaking and listening are involved. Okay. Option D. Why? Because communication is not only about speaking. We also need to listen. So speaking and listening are both important for understanding. Okay. That's why option D is fits perfectly. Okay. Question 14. The first sentence say practice improve performance. So we need a sentence that explain how practice helps us. Look at the 4 option. Which option make logical sense? Okay. So take 5 seconds and think about it and choose the correct answer. Okay. So the correct answer is B. It helps learner identify and correct mistake. Okay. When we practice, we find our mistake. Then we can correct those mistakes. That's how practice improve our performance. So the answer is B correct. Okay. Question number 15. The topic here is technology and workplaces. The last sentence is say many routine tasks can now be completed digitally. Okay, so which option connect technology with employees and their work? Check all the option and take 5 seconds and choose. Okay, so the correct answer is D. Employees use digital tool for many activities. Okay, this sentence connected perfectly with the next sentence about task being completed digitally. Okay, the other option are clearly negative or unrealistic. Okay, so our answer is D. Question number 16. Here we are talking about a balanced routine. So what should a balanced routine include? Study, rest and proper breaks. Okay, now look at the option and choose the one that give us a balanced routine. So take a 5 second and choose the correct answer. So the correct answer is it should include study, rest and suitable break. Okay, B option. This is called a balanced routine because it includes both study and rest. Okay, and this can improve concentration. So the answer is B. Okay, question 17. The first sentence say public speaking become easier with preparation. So what kind of preparation can make a speaker more confident? Look at the option. Which one make the most sense? So take 5 seconds and The correct answer choose. So the correct answer is knowing the topic well help. If you know your topic well, you can speak with more confidence. So the idea is very simple, okay? Good preparation, better knowledge, and more confidence. Answer C. Okay, question number 18. We are talking about a dictionary. So what does a dictionary normally give us? It gives us meaning, example, and information about words, right? So read the option and choose the best sentence. Okay. So the correct answer is A. It can provide meaning and example. This connect directly with the next sentence which talk about the word uses. So option A is best fit. Okay. Now question number 19. The sentence say team members may have different skill. Is having different skill always problem? No. Okay. Different skill can actually help a team. Now look at option. Which option explain this idea? Okay. So take 2 seconds or 5 seconds, choose your answer and comment your answer. Okay. So the correct answer is a B. Their strengths can complement one another. This means one person's strengths can help another person or help the whole team. So different skill can actually make a team more effective. So that's why answer B is correct. And now our last question of part 2. Question number 20. The first sentence say clear instruction reduce confusion. So what make instruction clear? They should explain the task and requirement properly. Now check the 4 option. Okay. So take 5 seconds and choose your answer. Okay. So the correct answer is C. They explain task and requirement precisely. Okay. So if instruction clearly explain what we have to do, there will be less confusion. And that's exactly what the last sentence say. People can then understand what is expected. Okay. So answer is this is a C is a correct answer. Okay. So guys, that's all 10 sentence computation question from part 2. Now I want you to take a screenshot of this question and solve them once again without looking at answer and comment below how many did you get correct out of 10. Remember, don't just memorize the answer, try to understand why that option fit the sentence. So TCS Ignite exam is on 26 August, so keep practicing. I will see you in part 3 with the next verbal ability topic. All the best and keep preparing with Codexani. Okay.